So here I'm going to talk about the business model, but I'm going to approach it as an entrepreneur and how I think about anything when I'm doing business. So if you think about it, you have the value, which is what you created, whether it's a product or services, right? Then you have consumer on the other end. And in the middle, you have the business. Is what connects the value to the consumer, right? It connects the product and the services to the consumer. If you don't have a business, you don't have this connection, right? You might have a great product, but no one can buy it or access it. So you're the facilitator of that, and we call this the business model, is the monetization of value. And when I think about some of the core strategic decisions that you have to make when it comes to business model, is first, you have to ask yourself, who's the customer? Who's gonna pay for your product or services? That's number one. Number two, how are you gonna reach these people, right? Where do they go and buy your product? Is it online? Is it in store? Is it a subscription business? Is it delivery? So these are the logical question that you ask, right? You identify the target market, then you ask yourself, how do you reach them? And number three is what price are they willing to pay for your products or services? And these first three considerations, you should go and talk to people. You should get them to use your prototype, your services. This is not a question. You have to actually get them to use it. You get the feedback. Maybe they'll give you feedback for product development. Maybe your product is not good enough or your service is not good enough. Maybe we're in food business, for example. Maybe it doesn't taste good enough. So you really need to get a lot of feedback from consumer in the early stage. You have to be really close to the consumer. A lot of the time, people talk about business model, but they're building the wrong product. Because when they build a product, they think it's going to be good for a certain consumer, but actually they never put themselves in the shoes of the consumer. So don't make that mistake. At the very beginning, make sure that you are very close to the consumer, that the consumer needs your product. Like, do they need it or do they want it? If they need it, it's more powerful, right? If they want it, it means it's a luxury item. Maybe they can have it or not. So you understand how much they need or want your product, how to reach them, which is we call channel distribution, and the price in which they were willing to pay for you. And then you have to build a business model around that, how to deliver the goods or services to them. And for us, we work with a distributor, for example. There are many business models you can do that, how to move the physical goods and so forth. And the key component for that is you have to create a win-win-win solution, right? Your company have to have enough margin. Your stakeholders and business partners have to have enough margin. Your consumer have to be able to purchase at an affordable price. So that's really, I would say, like the key component of how you want to approach the monetization of value, which is what we call business model. But you need the first foundational block, which is that the consumers need and want this product, and how are you going to get it to them in an economically efficient way. You can answer all these questions, everything else will follow.